Hi, this is Justin, owner of the Showerhead store, and in this video I'm going to review a product that you probably wouldn't normally find me reviewing, but it intrigued me because it's a $165 showerhead filter. It's called Jolie. This is what it looks like. So it's a showerhead with the filter in it, and they claim to be like the best showerhead filter in the world. And since at Hammerhead Showers we're working on our own showerhead filter, I was like, oh, I know quite a bit. Let me check it out and see what it's all about. So it does come in this fancy box. It's nice looking shower head. Honestly, it comes with this wrench, which my daughter loves. So, you know, that's pretty cool. But as you can see, you got the cutest roll of thread seal tape in the world. So this is obviously appealing to a certain crowd, beauty care crowd, right? So it's kind of like a beauty care product in the shower, right? I did buy an extra filter from them, and cartridge is nice. It's built well, and I cut it open and emptied it out. So if you, maybe I'll come to you here. You can see it is mostly KDF, fine KDF, and these small calcium sulfite balls, and I think there is maybe one other material like resin, but it could just be KDF and calcium sulfite, which honestly, doing my research, that's the good stuff, right? There's these products on Amazon that, you know, say they do X, Y, and Z and have 10 filtration materials in it, but those things don't do anything. These two materials are pretty good. There's a lot of it in there. The filter screen is pretty thick. Had a really prod at it to open it up. The shower head, yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's a plastic shower head, so you know I am a metal shower head advocate. Hammerhead Showers is our product line. So it's interesting that this fitting in the back is brushed nickel. Maybe they use stainless steel because it's a little like lower footprint. I don't see any marking on here for flow rate. Maybe I don't see anything, but I did go to their website and it's 1.8 gallons per minute, so that's the low flow rate. There's a flow restrictor right in there. Honestly, probably don't even need to use this thread tape. Maybe not even this wrench. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this put on. Now this comes in a variety of colors, right? So there's the Jolie showerhead. Various colors, whatever your fancy is. And let's run some water through it. So this is like a 5.5-inch wide shower head. So it's kind of like, it's not a rain shower head, but it's not like a small shower head. The pressure is decent. It's not high, it's not low. So I think it's fairly good for a shower head. It's just one spray setting. So I'll cut that off there. You see I just hand tightened it. There was already some thread tape on there, but I didn't use a wrench or anything like that. You probably could, just to be sure that it's on there for, you know, years, if that's your intention. Changing out the filter, just go ahead and grab the body and open that up. And this is why I wore my tropical shirt. I thought it'd be colorful. The brand is colorful. You know, they make a good product. To me, it's, you know, it's pricey for the materials, knowing what these things cost. So you got the cartridge. They have a little cotton or maybe polyester screen in there. So there's the shower head. There's the cartridge. Say replace this every like 3 to 6 months. Screw this back on. There you have it. So the Jolie shower head. Yeah, I think for the ladies, right? Like, you know, you want, you know, you got a single lady out there, right, that you want to impress. Probably get her this shower head and she'd be stoked. You know, in a shared household, maybe this is a little favoring one style over another, right? I mean, at the end of the day, when this thing's up there, right, it's like a normal-ish looking shower head. I guess it's the whole kind of kit and everything that's being sold. Again, filter material is quite good. It's packed in there pretty heavily. Yeah, so there you have it. That's just the honest review. I think it's, you know, decent product. If I was going to do a rating out of a 10 for value, I'd probably say like 7.5. But they're doing a good job. Again, wrench, big hit. Daughter loves it. So that's it for now. I'm Justin Ball with the Showerhead Store. Hope you enjoyed that video.